So I'm about to remove this big ugly thing to put on this baby. We're gonna see how it looks. Alright, so I unscrewed this screw right here for the top fairing for the rear tail. I couldn't get these two out. I didn't have a good tool. I didn't want to strip that screw, so I just left it. I just kind of picked this up a little bit, but there's two screws here that hold in the tail light. So I'm gonna try to loosen that up and see if I can get any wiggle room. All right, guys, so quick update. So as you can see, I had to strip the harness. Off of the old tail light. So I took the bulbs out and basically cut it. Then I stripped it, and I went to the store and bought some of these connectors so I can connect the wires together. And then so I'm gonna just connect these, the yellow, black, the yellow, ground, and the red. And then I'm gonna figure out how to do the turn signals here. So once I get these connected, this could go right here, and then I'm gonna work on the turn signal. So let me just get these together and I'll be right back. All right, like I said, I basically just wired the tail light for the brake light. So all the black, see, it'll probably be best if you solder these wires down, because then you don't have issues like that. All right, so that's where we're gonna put our license plate holder, right there. All right, so it turned out I had to switch around some of the wires. So actually the turning wires were the yellow wires, and then the red wire is the running lights. So that goes to these yellow wires in the main harness, and then the black is just ground. And I believe the blue and the blue were like the brake lights. So that's the quick changes I made. This is about to be like 2 different videos, because I'm also gonna try to fix up my fairings. So as you can see, this one is like still stuck on here, so it's like broken off. So I'm gonna try to repair that, and I'm gonna save that for another video. But just to show y'all that I fixed it properly and end off this video, I'm gonna do that. And oh, I have to do some of the cutting, so let's do some of the cutting. Let me do that first. All right, so to end it off, I mounted my license plate holder that flips. It's a flipping license plate holder with the light under it. I basically just drilled some holes and put some nuts there. And then, I don't know, if I decide if I want to hook the light up, I just got to figure out how to connect that. So all I need to do, I'll probably do this tomorrow. I need to pick up, well, a few seconds for you guys, but I'm going to do the rest of it tomorrow. I'm just going to get some tape to cover up these wires. To kind of just put them together, making sure these things don't come off. So I'm going to get some electrical tape for that. Right. Brake light. Good. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the Undertail video. So make sure you hit that likes button, that subscribe button, and let me know what you think about it. But yeah, this is it. I put the top back on, and let's get to part 2. Yeah. All right, so we got all the lights and everything cut, and I cut both of I cut the original fender and then the new fender up to size. So now I'm about to work on repairing this. So stay tuned to part 3 of this rebuild. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment down below what y'all think of the rebuild, because you already know it's going down. It's your boy Moto Loso, Moto Gang, what's good? We out.